segera. Karena kami tidak rela negeri ini dengan hampir 280 juta begitu saja dibajak. Dan cara membajaknya itu sangat keji.
Kita berkumpul di sini lagi-lagi bukan atas nama Ahok, bukan atas nama Anies, bukan atas nama siapapun. Kita berkumpul di sini atas nama masa depan demokrasi Indonesia.
Teman-teman, kita kumpul di sini di bawah satu kata.
Hello, good morning viewers. How are you this morning? Hot News One is back again to meet you on this fun-filled Wednesday with me, Dewi Naridati, with the most up-to-date, quarantined, and reliable information reporting for you. Recently, Indonesia's social media has been abused with rumors about controlling the constitutional court decision and the state of emergency, accompanied by a picture of Garuda Pancasila on a blue background. This issue triggered demonstration by the public, students, as well as artists and comic artists, which are planned to take place in various cities, including Indonesia Parliament building on August 22, 2024. The rule of Indonesia enters team from the General Election Commission decision to name an independent candidate pair Dharma Pongrekun and Kunwardana. This determination was seen as problematic because there was a recording of the population identification number of Jakarta residents who didn't provide support. Although residents reported the profiteering of ID cards to the police, the report was dismissed because it was considered the domain of Bawaslu and the KPU still passed the Dharma Kun pair. On the same day, 12 political parties in the Indonesia Maju Plus coalition declared the pair Ridwan Kamil and Suswono for the 2024 Jakarta election. The formation of this coalition was considered to prevent Anies Baswedan from running because PDIP, as the only remaining party, didn't meet the 20% seat requirement in the DPRD. Furthermore, on August 20, 2024, the Constitutional Court issued two important decisions regarding the regional election, which made it easier for political parties to carry candidate pairs, especially in Jakarta. The value for recruitment needed to support an independent candidate was changed to a minimum of 7.5%. However, the age limit remains an obstacle for Kaisang Pangarep, who will not be 13 years old in September 2024. In response to the Constitutional Court decision the day after, the House of Representatives legislative body tried to overturn a number of the court decisions, despite legal experts stating that the court decisions are final and binding. This created further tension in Indonesia's current political context. That's all the information I can convey. I'm Dewi Narirati. Take my leave and have a good day. Back to your activities and see you next time.